How does our brain control the body? Hello, Curious Cubs. Welcome to our brand new series, Human Body Wonders. Have you ever wondered, how do you walk without thinking too much? How do you blink even when you're not paying attention? And how do you remember your favorite cartoon character or the last yummy ice cream you ate? The answer to all these mysteries is our brain, the super boss of the body. What is the brain? Kids, think of your body as a giant city. In this city, your heart is the power station. Your stomach is the food factory. Your muscles are the workers. But the mayor of the city, the one giving orders and making decisions, is the brain. It looks soft, wrinkly, and a little like a walnut, but is super powerful. And guess what? Even though it's so important, it only weighs around 1.3 kilograms, about the weight of a football. The brain sits safely inside your skull, which acts like a strong helmet to protect it. A little history. Long ago, people didn't know the brain was in charge. Ancient Egyptians thought the heart was the boss of the body. Some even threw away the brain during mummification, thinking it was useless. Later, Greek scientist Hippocrates said, "No, it's the brain that makes us think and feel." Modern science proved he was right. So kids, the brain is not only our commander, but also the reason we can think, feel, and be human. How does the brain work? Now, how does this little wrinkly boss control such a big body? Imagine your brain as a super fast Wi-Fi router. It connects with every part of your body using billions of nerves called neurons. When you want to jump, your brain sends a message to your legs in less than a second. When you touch something hot, the message rushes back to your brain. Ouch, move away. Even while you sleep, your brain is awake, controlling breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. Fun fact, your brain sends messages faster than a racing car, up to 400 kilometers per hour. Parts of the brain. The brain is like a company with 3 super departments. Cerebrum, the big boss, the largest part. Helps you think, learn, solve puzzles, imagine stories, and remember your homework. Cerebellum, the gym trainer. Helps you balance and move smoothly. Without it, riding a bicycle or even walking straight would be super hard. Brainstem, the automatic manager. Controls things you don't think about. Heartbeat, breathing, blinking. Imagine if you had to remember, okay, breathe in, breathe out. You'd forget. That's why the brainstem does it automatically. How to keep your brain healthy. Your brain is like a superhero, but even superheroes need care. Here's how you can make your brain strong and sharp. Eat brain foods, nuts, milk, eggs, green veggies, fruits. Drink plenty of water, get good sleep. That's when your brain recharges. Play memory games, puzzles, and riddles. Learn new things every day. Maybe a new word, a fun fact, or even a dance step. Quick activity. Okay, kids, let's test your brain right now. I'll give you 3 words. Elephant, pizza, rainbow. Remember them carefully. Don't write them down, just use your brain. At the end of the video, I'll ask you to repeat them. Let's see how sharp your brain is. Fun quiz time. Now answer these questions in the comments. What protects our brain like a helmet? Which part of the brain helps you balance? Who was the scientist who first said the brain controls the body? Memory game answer. Do you remember the 3 words I told you earlier? Yes, elephant, pizza, rainbow. If you got it right, give yourself a high five. So kids, the brain is the boss of your body. It helps you move, feel, dream, and learn. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. In our next episode of Human Body Wonders, we'll discover another superhero organ, the beating heart, our life pump. Until then, stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring with Curious Cub.